say, shooter, are you ready? And then you will give me the yes, no, or whatever. All right? Then, from there, you will then transition to aiming at the left or at the right target. At the right target, you will conduct a bills drill. Then give your scores to Gunny or whoever has the laptop. Give your scores to them, and then they will put you down in the system, all right? This is so we collect data so that we can only get better with shooting. Or you could be as fast as you want and be inaccurate, all right? Okay. Right magazine of 10, and then whatever rounds you got, put in that second mag, all right? Okay. You guys shooting short bay?
Yeah.
No!
Build drill, you're doing it on the right target.
You guys got 24 rounds each?
No, I know what the build drill is. I'm talking about the box. Alright. You want pictures of switching targets for the box drill? The box drill. That's the build drill. Oh, wait, the build drill. Sorry. You had me
Run up to the front leg out there.
That's off. It's not going to stand. Yep. Go up to the board and it's 5.
So. All right. PSOs, it's on you. Are you ready?
Look, 20 destroyed. That means you only missed 7.
Yeah,
That's the best one so far again.
so well.
Let me see the back there.
I get one of those that like you wear.
At this time, load! Position 1. It's on you! Face down range! Load! Main condition 1! PSOs, it's on you!
Yeah, no, up here. Oh, they're all looking. They're all looking.